Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Are you Christian Prince?
Yes, I'm Christian Prince.
I want to complain always about the Islam. Why are you insulting Islam and the Prophet? I want to know.
Okay, I will answer you. Can you mute YouTube? Can you exit the page of YouTube?
I'm answering. What the fuck is...
A good Muslim woman. You know why you are insulting Islam? I did not insult Islam. I'm just reading what is in the Islamic page. Hello?
Yes, I can hear you now.
All right. So you said to me why I'm insulting Islam. Is that right?
Yes.
Well, Islam, okay, did I call you any names? I did not. Islam called the Christian najis, called them kuffar, called them dirty, called them pigs and monkeys, called them the worst of the creatures, called them liars, called them evil doers. So if I call you the same, is that okay? As the Quran call us. Do you think this is nice?
No.
So why you are not upset? Why you're not upset that Quran is calling us all kind of names, and yet you are thinking that I'm insulting Islam, and you are saying to me why you are insulting Islam? Why your prophet he say that anyone is not a Muslim, he is a filthy, dirty creature? Do you think this is right to say?
No.
So
no, I don't think that's right. But
okay, so you refuse the teaching of the
really,
prophet?
no religion is very sensitive.
No, but are you agreeing that the prophet is not a good man because he is saying that? Because you said this is not right.
I do agree, because insulting human being is not good for anybody.
Thank you very much. Okay, so here we are not insulting anyone. Here we go. I'm speaking to you. I'm not calling your name.
But you saying Muhammad was like that?
Yeah, because okay, because he is
blah, blah, blah.
No. You see, yeah, this is not insult. I'm saying who he is. When a man you just said that the one who says that a human being is filthy, dirty, this is not right. So you are doing the same to Muhammad. You are insulting Muhammad. You just say that Muhammad is a liar, because Muhammad, he say in the Quran that Allah told him that. This is a chapter 9 verse number 28 and the verse in the screen. So
Quran was corrupted many times after the Muhammad. Muhammad didn't give any Quran. You know that.
Okay, so the Quran is corrupted many times. Okay, how I know?
Maybe some other people added a false verses.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I will go with you. Okay, let us assume that the Quran is corrupted many times. But now, do you have the correct version of the Quran so I can judge Muhammad by the correct one? All what I have in front of me is Muhammad saying that his God said to him that the Christians, Jews, Hindus, Buddhas are a bunch of filthy people, and they are worst of the creatures, and they are evil doers, and they are pigs and monkeys, and they are not allowed even to get clothes from the city of Mecca and Medina. And you agree that this is not right. So what we have between our hands, okay, so what we have in front of our, how I know if this is what Muhammad said or not? The Muslim, they say that this is the true Quran. What I will do now?
But if you don't know what to do, just keep silent and
no, I cannot keep my silence. No, lady, I cannot keep silence, because we have to defend the human rights. You know, you yourself, you should defend the one who is abusing. You know, like if you are the one who said, okay, why you don't keep your silence yourself? Why you don't say, okay, you know what? A Christian Prince says something bad about Muhammad, I will keep my mouth silent. Why you are asking me to be silent when he is the one who is calling me names and asking even the Muslims to kill me? But yet you want me to keep silence, not the opposite. I am the victim. I'm not the criminal. Muhammad, he ordered the Muslims in chapter 9 verse 29 to kill all the Christians and the Jews unless they pay money to survive. Is that right?
I don't think so. That's true. No, that's not right. I never hear this history in my life.
This is a chapter 9 verse number 29. Can you open the Quran from your side and read it for us, please?
Actually, reading Quran from my side? Well, I can read it. Okay. I can read Arabic, actually.
You can read in Arabic? Here we go.
I can.
Okay, here we go.
Yes, I can read.
That's wonderful. I
can't read Arabic.
No problem. Then we read for you in English. That's okay. Take it easy. Take it easy. Don't shoot me.
Okay.
Don't shoot me. Thank God I'm not married. What's wrong? Take it easy, girl. I mean, what's wrong? You are very hot-blooded women. Okay, this is the link. Open it and read it for us. Open the link. This is the Quran. This is the Quran. This is the verse. Verse number 29, read it. It says, fight those who believe not in Allah nor the last days. Okay, so you're a prophet asking the
That's what is in the Bible. The Christian and Jew used to kill people. None of those who,
no, where Jesus says go and kill people. Can you show me where?
That's what's inside the history of Islam.
No, Jesus says pray for those who curse you. you know, and you know, those who and pray for them, bless them. He didn't say kill them. That's what Jesus said.
Where? But the Orthodox Church and
You know,
Catholic, they used to kill the many followers.
Hold on. No.
Equal.
Hold on. When we judge the teaching of the one, the founder. The founder is what we talk about. Muhammad was a person killing, ordering to kill. Jesus did not order. If I am a drug dealer and I call myself a Christian prince, that does not make Jesus the drug dealer, correct? Okay. So now your prophet is saying you have to harm the Christians. Look at this hadith. I will show you this hadith, and you tell me, what do you think? Muhammad is said, if you see a Christian in the street, if you see a Christian or a Jew, you have to humiliate him. You have to force him to walk in the sewage. What do you think about that? Is that a good ethic? Is that a good ethic?
How can I believe that? How I can't believe that, actually? I can't, trust you because of you're not showing anything.
I'm showing everything. What are you talking about? Here we go. This is Sahih Muslim. This is Sahih.
But it's not in oh my God. Where? Show me, give me the number, hadith number, and I will find it by myself.
Here we go. I will give you the link. Here we go. Go ahead. You read it for us. It's in English, it's in Arabic.
Let me find.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh my God.
Don't say oh my God. So oh my, say oh my Allah. It's not right to say oh my God. Haram.
God and Allah is same word.
No, you cannot say oh my God, because the Hindu they say oh my God. You Muslim, you say oh my Allah.
Allah and God is the same.
I don't know. The Quran says no. The Quran says there's no God but Allah. So Allah is not just the word God.
That's the Arab.
Huh?
That's Arab people with the. That's Arab language.
Okay.
I think so. I'm not sure exactly, but it's same.
Okay. Oh my Allah, read the hadith for me. Go ahead. I gave you the hadith. Okay, read it.
Let me type it on my computer, please. Hold a second.
Just click at the link. The link will open. It's a magical thing.
Just wait. Can you please be patient a little bit?
I'm patient. I mean, I'm patient. Okay. Oh my Allah. Oh, is it very hard?
I'm trying.
You are trying, okay.
The network is very hard. Just please hold a second. I'm trying still.
Before you click at the link, say inshallah, because if you don't say inshallah, the link will not open. It happened to me many times.
I don't believe that.
Like once I wanted to rob a bank and I could not do it because I forgot to say inshallah. Second time I did. I say inshallah, it worked. Why you don't open the link? Why it's very hard to open the link? Open the link.
I'm trying to open it. My phone is stuck already by your phone.
You are using a very nice.
I can't open my phone.
You are using a very nice words. Okay.
Hello. So just please, yeah. I'm typing on my laptop. I'm checking. So can you please patient a little bit, or
okay.
I can take
you can search. You can search for Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2167A. Sahih Muslim. I will copy the text for you, post it for you in Paltalk. You can copy it and search on your phone. All right, I understand you are using your phone. It can be difficult sometime.
Sahih Muslim
2167A. Do you smoke?
Huh?
Do you smoke?
Smoke what?
I know. I'm just asking, do you smoke? Because in the heaven of Allah, He said, we will have whatever I wish. So there's some people, they are wishing to have marijuana, hashish, I don't know. So did you open the hadith or not? What happened?
Yeah. That's Kitab Salah.
Okay, it says, the book of a greeting. It says,
chapter 4. Yes, the book of greeting.
Don't greet the Jews and the Christians before they greet you, and when you meet them, any of them, force them in the road, force them to go in the narrowest part of it. What do you think about the ethic of the prophet? What do you think if you are walking in the street?
I don't know. I can't judge him.
What do you mean you cannot judge him? If you are walking in the street right now and you are coming in my face, and what I do, if I'm a Muslim and you are a Christian, I have to push you in the sewage because you are not allowed to walk in the street like me. You are not equal to me. This is what the prophet's saying. So what do you mean you cannot judge?
What you did? Huh? You criminal? What you did?
Nothing. Just because he's a Christian.
Is there any problem that you did?
No, he's just saying don't greet the Jews and the Christian, which means anyone is a Jew, anyone is a Christian. Huh? So their crime is just no. Their crime
behind this.
No. The crime is they are being Jews. Lady, you are smart enough. Come on. It says greet Jews and and the Christian. Didn't say greet this guy, that guy. He said Jews, any Jews, Christians, any Christian. If you meet them in the street, you have to humiliate them, you have to insult them, you have to force them to walk in the sewage.
Are you sure this hadith is not corrected too?
It is. This is
because of what I'm seeing here is violence.
Okay,
violence.
By the way, what's your name? What's your name? So I don't know what to call you.
My name is Nami.
Nami. Okay, Nami. Listen.
Nami.
Okay, Nami. It says Sahih Muslim. Do you know what Sahih mean? Sahih mean correct.
Maybe some kind of Arab language.
No, Sahih. Yeah, it's in Arabic. It's mean correct. So this is correct Muslim. So it's called correct for what reason? Because it's wrong. Why the Muslims
call it correct? How it could be correct? If Muhammad is the Ummi, how you call Ummi or Ummi? I don't know. Ummi couldn't read and write.
Right, but Muhammad he can talk, right? Muhammad he can talk. He did not write this. The Muslim they wrote what the Prophet said.
But he can forget something. Maybe.
Sure, he can forget. As an example, Muhammad he forgot a lot of things. He forgot to be nice. He forgot to be gentle. He forgot to be honest. Even he cheated his wife. He forget everything. But this is not the topic now.
Don't say that he cheated wife.
Okay, hold on. What if I show you?
He never cheated anyone.
Okay, what if I show you the proof? What you will do?
Me? I don't want to accept it anymore.
You will not accept it anyway. So you're not being honest now. It doesn't matter what I will show you. You will not accept it. So here we go. So you're not being honest.
Show me. Huh?
There's a chapter in the Quran. It's called chapter of At-Tahrim. You heard of it?
Tahrim.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay. Yes, I think so. I hear it.
All right.
It's about Salama, kind of.
Allah, he said to Muhammad, why you are forbidding what Allah made lawful for you? Do you know what Allah made lawful for him?
Yeah, Surah Lima Tuharrim.
Lima Tuharrim. That's wonderful. Here we go.
Lima Tuharrim.
Chapter 66. Chapter 66, verse number 1.
Yes.
Okay. Let us read together.
Yes,
okay. Let us read together what this verse is talking about. All right. 66, verse number 1.
Okay,
here we go.
Hold a second.
Just say inshallah the phone will be charged very fast. This is what I do always. Just say inshallah the phone will be charged so fast. I do that all the time.
You should say inshallah, not me, okay?
I just did. This is why my phone is charged. I'm just saying to you.
Inshallah, if I say the simple word.
Yeah, I say like even my car, I don't even pay for my gas. I say inshallah, my car is full of gas. Read with me. The Prophet, Allah, he says.
Are you idiot?
Oh, the Prophet. Why do you forbid what God has made lawful for you in the term of your homemaid Maria? Muhammad, he was having sex with the maid. Is it halal to have sex with the maid in Islam?
Maid? What maid?
Maid. He have a maid. He have a servant. Her name is Maria. Your husband.
Mary, the Ethiopian.
Yeah, she is his maid. She is his maid.
Oh my! I don't know.
Why he is sleeping with her? If your husband he brought you a maid, he can sleep with you and the maid in the same time.
No way.
Well, your prophet he did that. Here we go. It's not me who's saying that. This is Tafsir al-Jalalain. This is your scholar, and this is the Quran. And everybody see in the screen what I'm reading. I did not even say a word. This is what your reference saying.
It's next to which surah, please? The surah number is what?
Chapter 66, verse number 1. And I gave you the link. Let me give you the text. You can read it. Here we go. I will give you the text as a text.
Yes, I'm finding. Please hold.
Okay, here we go. Let me give you a text. You can read it. If you could not open the text, here we go. This is the text. Read it.
Please.
O Prophet, why you forbid what Allah he made lawful for you? Be honest with me. Don't you like to have someone to help you, like your husband when I sleep with you and you are alone? You know the maid can help you.
Yeah, sure.
So you
can help me.
Yeah, you and your husband, your husband he have like 2, 3, 4 wives, and the maids he sleep with all the maids. He will have 4 wives, and each one of them she have maybe maid or 2, and the husband he sleep with you and all the other wives and all the maids. What do you think about this in Islam?
Are you sure this hadith is correct and this Quran is correct?
You are saying to me, are you sure? This is your Muslim website, and this is your Muslim scholar, and this is your Quran, and this is
Ya ayyuhal nabi idha talaqta nisaa. No, it is not this, I think. Talaq, yes?
No, chapter 66, verse number 1. At-Tahrim, not at-Talaq.
I think it's تحريم يا أيها النبي لما تحرم الله. I don't know if it's Arabic. يا أيها النبي لما تحرم ما أحلك الله.
MashaAllah, your Arabic
I think this is like
MashaAllah, your Arabic is like mine. You know, my Arabic is very horrible. Let me read it for you. يا أيها النبي لما تحرم ما أحل الله لك تبتغي مرضات أزواجك والله غفور رحيم. Okay, so forget about reading Arabic. I know your Arabic is horrible, like mine. But this is not the issue now. Read. It says the prophet was sleeping with his maid. What kind of a prophet? He sleep with the maid. Not only he sleep with the maid, he slept with her in the bed of his wife. So you go home, you find your husband in the with the maid in your bed. Yeah, Hafsa, she got him busted. Hafsa, she is big and beautiful. You know, she got him from his nose and she started hitting him. And she said to him, shame on you, Muhammad. You do that. So he said, please let me go, let me go. I will never do it again. That's what he did. He swear by Allah, he will never do it again. And then after a week or two, Muhammad, he got horny again. He want to sleep with the same maid. She is more beautiful than his wife. So he made this verse saying that Allah told me, why you are not sleeping with the maid? Allah made it lawful for you. Okay, where Allah he made that lawful for Muhammad? Where in the Quran it says that it's lawful for Muhammad to have sex with the maid?
Exactly. I don't know. I can't explain this because of I'm not very
okay. Let me.
I don't know about.
Forget about this. Forget about this. I want to give you an opportunity. You see, forget about the negative things about Islam. I'm sick of it, really. I want you to tell me something positive about the Prophet.
That he loves the orphans?
Something positive, positive. You know what positive means? Something good about him. Like what?
Something good about him, right?
About him, yeah. Like what is good about Muhammad?
He said, I'm the best of the human beings because I'm the
That's
best
wonderful,
of
guys.
family.
Somebody he said the best about the Prophet. He said, I am the best of a human being. This is not positive. This is ugly because that means he's selfish. He think he is the best. There's nobody is the best. What best? Do you think really there's a human being is the best and there's a human being is the what does that mean? So you are trying to prove to me that Muhammad is the best by saying I am the best. Well, I want to say the same. Okay, I'm the best of a human being. Here we go. How that can prove anything? If somebody says to you, I am the best of mankind.
Because of his deed. He is.
What
you know,
he
used to kill the.
He used to kill what?
Orphans.
He used to sleep with the orphans.
Orphans, not kill. Yes, he treats a good way for all people.
Where? Okay, hold on. He made orphan. He did not take care of the orphan. He was killing people, and that will make orphans. So how the person he says, I want to take care of the orphans, you're a prophet, he killed the parents and he take the children as slaves. Is that correct?
No, it's not correct, really.
Okay, let us see if this is true or not. Here we go. This is a true story. Okay, here we go. This is the true story. You're a prophet. He attacked Bani al-Mustaliq, and he took their kids as slaves.
Christian Prince. 1 second. I'm not scholar. I don't know about the Islam well, but I'm trying to convert Islam. I was trying to convert Islam because I hear a lot of good things about Islam. So
you are not a Muslim yet?
So I don't know.
What do you mean you are not? Aren't you born from a Muslim family?
I don't know, but yeah.
Okay, you are born from a Muslim family, and now you are not sure if Islam.
Hello?
Here we go. I'm showing you now. The Prophet, he attacked the
people. No.
Okay, hold on. The Prophet, he attacked the family, the tribe. He took the women as slaves, and he took the children's, the babies, as slaves. Here we go. Read it. This is your source, and this is Sahih. This is Sahih al-Bukhari. Okay. He took the kids.
I don't trust any sort of it.
So how you say you are a Muslim? Okay, hold on. How you say I'm a Muslim? And how you want to follow Islam if there is no correct source of Islam? The Quran, you told me, it's corrupt. The Hadith is corrupt. So you are saying to me, I want to believe in a corrupt religion, has no true books, and I want to follow it. How you can do that? Everybody heard you saying the Quran is corrupt, the Hadith is corrupt, but you want to stay as a Muslim. How you can be a Muslim if the Quran and the Hadith? So what is the book you want to follow? Yellow Pages? Mickey Mouse? Where you will get your guidance from? What the point of following, believing in a religion, but you don't have an accurate book, neither an accurate source? So how you can know what this religion is about? Are you there? Are you thinking? Everything is corrupt. I agree with you. Quran is corrupt. Hadith is corrupt. The Prophet is corrupt. Allah is corrupt. Yet she want to be a Muslim. She want to stay as a Muslim. But just because her parents are Muslims. Nani, are you there?
My name is, yeah, Nami. I told you, don't call me Nami.
Well, your name in Paltalk is Nani. So why you call yourself Nani? I call you by what you call yourself.
No, I call. But you said, I told you that I'm not Nani. I'm using some other.
Who cares what's your name now? Okay, I will call you whatever you. Call whatever.
Okay, no one's scared. Just
you are Angel Jibril, no problem. Jibril, how are you doing? So now, how you want to be a Muslim? How you can be a Muslim? How you can stay as a Muslim if you have no book to trust? Which book you want to follow? You just told me that
my own way.
What? You follow what?
My own rules. I think so. I don't want to do any violent things.
Yeah, but okay. What is your book? What
religion is not belonging to me.
Okay.
Because I'm not Arab.
Okay, where is the teaching of Muhammad? Where we can find the teaching of Muhammad? If you just say to me, the Quran is corrupt, the Hadith is corrupt, so how you can follow Muhammad if the teaching of Muhammad does not exist?
He said, if you believe me, if you believe Allah and me, on him,
he said,
on the day of judgment.
Okay, hold on. He said where?
You live in Jannah, kind of.
No. You just said he said. You just said he said. He said where?
Yes, where? He said if you follow him.
Okay, where?
Okay. The Jannah.
Manny, listen. Where we can find he said that? Where he said that? Which book?
I think inside the Quran.
Okay, you just told me a second ago the Quran is corrupt.
Yes, that's what he said. So
okay.
I don't accept this.
So how you can trust the Quran?
I don't care about.
How you can trust the corrupt Quran to tell me what he said? I mean, I
don't trust the Quran. I don't trust the Quran.
But you just told me he said.
How we can find?
Okay, how you can say he said, but you don't trust what he said because you just told me you don't trust the Quran. But you said to me, he said in the Quran.
You asked me at the beginning.
This is why I'm asking you.
You asked me.
Yes, I'm asking you. I'm trying to understand how you think.
So I'm answering your question. So
I understand. And you did answer the question. Thank you very much. You said the Quran is a corrupt book. I said to you, okay, how you can believe Muhammad? You said to me, he said do this and that. I said, okay, where he said that? You said in the Quran. But in the beginning you told me you don't trust the Quran. Yeah. So how you trust the Quran but you don't trust the Quran?
Still I don't trust the Quran.
You trust the Sirah? You trust the Sirah? You trust the Sirah? The Sirah is more horrible. The Sirah says Muhammad, he killed, he raped, he stole. Even the Muslims accuse him that he stole an underwear.
But there's things that I still believe it.
Yeah, but okay, you told me you don't believe in the Quran. You believe in the Sirah. The Sirah say Muhammad, he used to
that I accepted.
What accepted? Who accepted? You accepted?
There's a little, not more, about the theory of the science,
what you are saying to me, you are a person who you go to do shopping and you find a lot of things about Muhammad. Anything you don't like, you don't accept, and the things you like, you accept. So you are making your own Muhammad.
Not, but I'm making my own Muhammad, but I'm making my own way.
Because you just told me you don't trust any book, but you are saying to me,
of course.
Okay, of course. So now you don't trust the book, but you want to take from that book which you don't trust something you like about Muhammad. Isn't it? This is hypocrisy.
No.
Well, if the book is corrupt, that's mean
a little bit about the Allah, about the existence of the God, how this universe made.
How the universe is made? How universe is made according to Allah? Do you know?
The orbit.
What orbit?
Orbit. You know orbit?
No, I do not know orbit. I have only the maximum I get elementary school. What is the orbit? What is that?
Our solar system and the planet Earth, Mars, Jupiter. You know all this stuff. I think.
I know. I did not go to school.
You know it.
But as I know,
you know it.
But as I know, the Quran says that Allah will shoot the shaitan if he try to go out of the orbit in his ass. Is that correct?
That's not possible.
It's in the Quran. Here we go. Okay. Open the Quran with me.
Orbit,
chapter 60.
Orbit and the Quran.
Hold on. The Quran, chapter 67, verse number 5. It says Allah, he decorated the sky by the stars, and he made them as a missiles to shoot the shaitan in his ass. Read it.
But can you find Surah Yasin? Surah Yasin.
No problem. Sure, I know Yasin. I know Yasin is my friend. How can I don't find him? I will find him right away.
Read it. I don't know exactly the verses, but
okay.
But I know
no problem. I will go to Yasin. But look, read with me here. Does it say in chapter 67, verse number 5, that Allah created the stars and He shot the shaitan in his ass if he tried to spy at Allah?
That's what it's history. I don't think that's true exactly.
What is
people
this?
Fabricate as usual.
Fabricate. Oh, so okay. So now you are saying to me the Quran have stupid lies, and those there's no way Muhammad said that.
I
right?
do.
Okay.
I do.
Okay, I agree with you. This is stupid. I mean, shaitan. How you can shoot shaitan in his ass by a star? The shaitan ass is very small. The star is so big. It's impossible. Correct?
At the beginning, shaitan exists. I never seen shaitan. I never seen anyone who called
I saw shaitan. I saw shaitan. There's a guy. He told me he's a Muslim. He saw 4 shaitan every day. He's married to 4 women. He has 4 mother-in-law. He told me he saw shaitan every day 4 times. Now look at this. Your prophet said that shaitan.
Have you seen it? You saw it by your eyes.
I don't know. This what
you have a picture or anything. Just don't tell me other history, okay?
Okay, no.
You don't have any witness.
Me myself, I did not see shaitan, but Muhammad, he saw shaitan, and he commanded him to do good. Do you know that the prophet, he was commanded by shaitan? Is that correct?
By what?
Shaitan, he used to sit in the shoulders of the Muhammad, and he drive him. He command him. Is that correct?
Did I ever hear?
Huh?
God, no, I don't know it. I never hear for now.
Okay, here we go. Read
drive with Muhammad.
Yes, he sit in the shoulders of Muhammad. He jumped and he command him. Look at this. Look at this. And they said, "There's none among you, but he have attached devil to him." The companion, they said, "Allah Messenger, you too?" Thereupon he said, "Yes, but Allah helps me against him, and he am safe from him, from his hand. He does not command me, but for good." So your shaitan, the prophet shaitan, he command the prophet to do good. Do you have a good shaitan who command you to do good? Manny, are you there?
I don't have.
Okay.
But maybe those who believe in shaitan and it's still there.
Yeah, but why?
I don't believe shaitan
why Muhammad? Why
angel
Muhammad?
Or what?
Okay, why Muhammad is saying that shaitan command him? Who is the one who command Muhammad? Shaitan or Allah?
Allah, real maybe.
But he is saying shaitan. What do you
think? He said maybe shaitan on.
What? Do you think the
shaitan
do you think
same character, I think.
Do you think
I'm not sure, but
yeah, but here it says that Allah, he helped Muhammad against the shaitan, and shaitan, he command Muhammad to do good. Like what? What the good command shaitan he give to Muhammad? Do you have example?
Show me if you have example. I don't know.
I don't know, like what? To eat cake?
But you are the one who are
maybe to cheat the wife on the wife. I mean, what the good command shaitan can give is shaitan. Since when shaitan is a good guy? Have you ever heard of a shaitan is a good guy?
I don't know about the shaitan, and I don't believe it. Shaitan is exists. I'm the Muhammad, not me. Okay, but
you don't believe in shaitan is exist?
Asking you, others who yes. I don't saw something that I don't.
Okay, so you have a new religion. Okay, that's interesting. All right. So what do you believe in then? I don't I ask you.
That's a new religion. I follow by my own.
You follow by what? By your heart? But Muhammad, he says.
I don't think you.
Okay, but Muhammad he said.
My own, yes, my own way.
Okay. What is your education?
Like any other religion.
What is your education? What is your education?
Chemical.
My
education about school and.
Okay, that's good. So you go to school. That's wonderful. But do you know that Muhammad he said women are stupid?
You mean school? You mean school?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this guy is not hearing. Can you listen first?
I am saying, are you educated? You go to school. Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Do you know that Muhammad he said that women are half a brain and they are stupid?
Yes.
Okay. Why Muhammad he said that women they have defect in their religion and defect in their mind? Why he said they have deficiency? What do you think about that? Do you agree? Do you agree with Muhammad? Do you agree? What? Hello?
He loves women and hello.
Muhammad he loved women to sleep with them. Muhammad he loved women to sleep with them. Yes, he sleep with them. That's I know that. But what I'm saying, he believed that they are half a brain. He said that they have.
But I'm saying they are
half a brain. Do you agree that women is half a brain?
How do you call it? Huh?
Huh?
Man is above.
Yeah, but this is not.
Women are inferior, you know, inferior.
This is not about above, you know. This is not what I'm talking about. He said that you have a defect in your mind. Do you agree that you have defect?
No, I don't have.
Well, Muhammad, he said you have defect. No, you do. Muhammad, he said that we should believe the Prophet, sister. Come on, the Prophet will be angry now. Allah will be angry.
No, I'm telling you. I don't care if he gets angry or not.
So
I don't care.
You don't care. You don't care that Allah get angry and the Prophet get angry. That's not nice. You are insulting the Prophet now. So that's not nice. You know, the Abdul will be angry. Listen, if the Prophet he said that you have defect, the Prophet don't lie.
That's not nice.
The Prophet he don't lie, sister. Come on. He said you have defect in your mind and you have to agree with that.
No, I don't, because it's not compulsory to follow what the Muhammad said. Okay.
Okay, so you just decide.
You can have it by your own way and respect the God.
But you just agreed that Muhammad must be a liar because you didn't agree with his lies. You said he don't. You know, I don't have a defect. I'm fine. And Muhammad said you have a defect in your religion and you have defect in your mind. So Muhammad is a twice liar, and you don't agree with him, and you just admitted that. So I'm so happy for you that you left Islam.
You what? You what I did?
You just left Islam because you said you don't agree with Muhammad, that you have a defect. You don't agree with him.
Of course.
Okay, so he's a liar.
Yeah, no, I don't agree.
He's a liar. He's lying about you.
He's not a liar.
What do you mean?
I don't have a proof.
He said no. He said that women, they have defect in their mind and defect in their religion, and you said this is absolutely false. So Muhammad must be a false prophet. Do you agree that women? It's false to say that women they have defect.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't know about those people who were that age, but now I don't have any deficient. While vitamin or anything, I'm a full healthy.
Okay,
so
which is side?
I don't accept that. So that's my own way.
Maybe you have a deficiency.
So, but you don't have a right to insult.
Okay, hold on. Maybe you have deficiency in the right side of your head, and you do not know about it. The Prophet, he's a scientist.
How it could be? Deficiency on my left hand.
Yeah, then the Prophet he's saying you have deficiency. So why you are saying he's wrong? You see, you are not showing respect to the Prophet.
My brain is working.
You are not showing respect to my Prophet Muhammad. You are insulting him now. You said to me you should not insult the Prophet, and now you are saying that you have no defect and the Prophet is lying. And I don't agree with that. This is insult to me. You are insulting me. Yeah? Why you are insulting the Prophet, saying that he is not telling the truth and you have no defect? Hello? The funny, she said to me, don't insult the Prophet, and she is insulting him down and up and down. Here you notice how much confused the Muslims are.
Hello.
Did you leave Islam? Manny?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Do you yeah. Okay, so now you say you said you don't have a deficiency in your brain. Your Prophet saying you have deficiency in your brain. So who of you is telling the truth? I want to know. You
want to know that I don't.
No, because one of you is telling the truth.
I don't have a.
Okay. Now I don't know. I don't know if I can believe you in what you are saying to me, because this is the Prophet. The Prophet, there's no way he will lie. So why the Prophet? He says women they have deficiency in their brain and they have deficiency in their religion. Why Muhammad is doing that? Do you think he hate women maybe?
What Muhammad did is none of my business. I'm telling you, but don't insult this religion. That's my point.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What you're in your business? He's insulting you. He says you have deficiency in your brain.
Because I don't anymore. So
you are what?
It's not compulsory to believe.
What? Don't open many programs. Hello. Actually, I mean, this is very stupid to say women have a deficiency in their brain. Let a woman with short skirt walk in front of 10 men, and let us see how many of them he will not lose his brain. Yes, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. I was saying the Prophet said that you have deficiency in the brain, but I think men they have deficiency in the brain. A man, like you see, a woman she wear a short skirt, and there's 10 men sitting in the park. She walk, and everybody his eyes is right in her legs. Why? Because they lost their mind. They are half a brain. So why your Prophet saying that the woman is the one have half a brain, but not the man? What do you think?
Really, I'm telling you again, Christian Prince.
Yeah.
Muhammad and his wife and those please him. It's not concern me anymore. I'm telling you again.
Okay, so you don't respect Muhammad. You are saying to me Muhammad is a bad guy. He was a criminal.
I do by my own way. Okay.
What do you mean you do? He just said
so
bad,
when I'm here,
you just said bad things. You just
the other religion.
You just agreed.
You want to be respected.
You
okay?
just agreed.
Respect
you just
Muhammad
agreed.
And Allah. Tell the truth as it is. Okay.
Okay.
Don't corrupt it.
Okay. Okay. I will go with you. Can you show me where Muhammad he says respect other religions? Where do you get this idea from? Respect other religions. Where do you get this from?
I don't care. I'm not reading from what Muhammad wrote to you, but I'm.
So you are not following Muhammad. You are following who? Okay, listen. Are you Buddha? Are you following Buddha or who? I mean, you are confusing me. You don't care what Muhammad said, but you are saying to me we should respect other religion. Okay, which religion teaching you that?
Oh, I got one verse in Surah Kahf. No, the Kahf, I think.
In Surah what?
Surah
18. Surah 18. You said.
Kafirun.
Al-Kafirun is respecting us. Al-Kafirun is insulting. The name is Al-Kafirun. Do you know what Al-Kafirun mean? But the second you say kafir, it's an insult. So okay, so how you say this is a verse about respecting others, but you call us kuffar? You are insulting me. Can I call you kuffar?
If you don't believe it, Christian, you call the Muslim kuffar. So that's the translation of the language.
No. The Quran says the kuffar are no. The kuffar are najis. Is that correct? Isn't it Muhammad? He says the kuffar
I don't
are
accept
najis.
that.
Huh? Did Muhammad?
Oh my God! You're not respecting any religion.
Did Muhammad? Did Muhammad say
where you want to be respected?
Did Muhammad say that the kuffar are najis?
Lakum dinakum waliya din.
No,
he said lakum dinakum waliya din.
First of all, this
that's the religion.
No. He did not say that. This is a lie. This is a lie. Muhammad here, he was talking to the people around him who refuse him, and he have no answer for them. And later when he got his army, he did not say to them, you have your religion, you have mine. He said, either you take my religion or I will kill you.
He said what?
Either you accept my religion or I will kill you. The Quran in front of you. Here we go. This is chapter 9 verse number 28. He says the pagan are najis and clean. So when you say somebody is a kuffar, you are saying he's a pagan. This is an insult. Number 2, you call him unclean. He is filthy. Number 3, kill them wherever you find them. So what do you mean you have religion? I have mine.
I think you don't hear what I say to you. I do my own. I don't care about the Muhammad and Allah. But respect others. That's what I'm going to tell you. Okay?
I don't respect. Okay, do you respect a guy who slept with 6-year-old girl?
Huh?
Do you respect a man who sleep with six? Do you respect a man who have sexual relationship with the children's?
No, I don't.
Okay, Muhammad, he did marry Aisha at the age of 6. So how you say to me, respect a
religion? That's what makes me upset.
Okay, make you upset. That's wonderful. So how we can respect Muhammad? You're asking me to respect him, but he is sleeping with a child. How we can respect that?
By right now, you can't do it anything. Just leave it as it and just
no. There's many people they believe.
Do your business.
No, there's many people believe in this criminal and they think he's a good guy. And you are saying to me, well, we have to leave this criminal alone. He don't leave us alone. He sent his terrorists after us. The Mujahideen.
But you don't need to share your message by violence and insulting.
I'm not doing violence. I'm not. So you are saying to me, if I say it is wrong to have sex with
children. You say Abdul, donkey, or any other.
Okay, hold on. Abdul is what your Quran call all the Muslims Abdul, Abidullah. And donkey, it's your prophet who said in the Quran that the Christians and the Jews are like donkeys. So why it's okay for you to call me a donkey? Are you there?
Just respect the
people.
No,
I'm asking you, hold on. Why the Quran says in chapter 62 verse number 5 that the Christians and the Jews are the same as donkeys. They carry books in the top of their head, but they don't understand it. This is the Quran. So why your prophet, he can say we are donkeys and we cannot say the same to the one who don't understand his book?
I don't know. I can't explain this, but I can't.
You can't explain.
I can't explain it.
So a second ago you were saying the one who said the word donkey is insulting, but Muhammad and his religion and the Muslim, they can say to us we are the same as donkeys. It's okay. So you can call me donkey.
Why you are staring at Muhammad and Allah?
So
why you always?
Muhammad for me is the biggest donkey in the earth, because if he is not a donkey, he will not say you have a deficiency in the brain. If he is not a donkey, he will not have sex with the children.
Others. I can't insult anyone else. I can insult you, but I am respecting.
I am not insulting. I am saying what I believe. But I believe that Muhammad is a criminal. Muhammad is a child molester. I am not insulting. I'm saying the truth. If somebody is dirty, I say he's dirty.
Well, you and you, and you.
What about me? Did somebody told you that?
You are.
What? So what about me? Somebody told you I've been accused.
You're a donkey talk.
You have to prove it. No problem. You can call me donkey, but you have to prove it. You see, if I am a donkey, you can call me a donkey. But if I am not, you have to prove it. Can you prove it? I can prove that Muhammad is a donkey. Because Muhammad, he claimed that he is a person who have knowledge, but yet he claimed that the sun set in the murky water. Not even donkeys will say that. Yes, Manny.
Hello.
Where is the sun set? Do you know? Where the sun set? Where the sun set? Do you know?
I think the sun has no place.
Okay, the sun, according to Muhammad, the smart Muhammad, I will not call him donkey. You are the one who's calling him donkey, and this is not nice of you. You are saying that the one, you cannot call somebody donkey, right? But look what Muhammad he said. He said the sun set in the murky water. If you have a student in the class and you are a teacher, and this student, he insists that God told him that the sun set in the murky water, what you say to him? You tell me.
It's false.
It's what?
It's not true. That's not true. Exactly.
Okay, so but this is not even donkeys will say that. So we cannot say you are a donkey, because donkeys are smarter than this. There's no donkey in the world will believe that the sun set in the murky water. So how Allah in the Quran says the sun set in murky water?
Allah said that?
Yeah, in the Quran, chapter 18, verse number 86.
I don't know. I can't argue this. I can't do anything.
All right, May. Thank you very much for calling me. You are a nice girl, and I hope you will, you can listen and think carefully about what you are saying, because obviously you cannot defend Islam. Islam is a very bad cult. Insult women, insult your mother. Muhammad, even he said, when he said najis, he insult women. Women, they have a deficiency just because they have their period. Just because they are women, and that is an insult.
No.
Okay, you want me to prove it to you?
What makes me?
Okay, do you want me to prove it for you? Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no.
Yes,
you see,
prove it.
you are acting.
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. He said the deficiency because they have their period. Here we go. Let me find it for you. I will make you read it. Okay, here we go. Read it. Muhammad saying that you have deficiency because you have your period. It's in front of you, guys. Does it say? And let me give you the link. Here we go. I will give you the link in Paltalk. And you read it. There's two reasons for deficiency: is your brain and your period, and this is the reason you will go to hell. Don't tell me no.
Okay.
Okay, so do you agree with that? Because you have a period, you will go to hell.
No.
Well, Muhammad, he said that you have a lack.
I'm human being.
Muhammad, you have a lack of. He said you have a lack of intellect, which means you have a lack of brain. You're stupid.
A period because of my menstruation cycle.
Yes.
That's what makes me vitamin deficient?
According to Muhammad, yes. Because of that.
How my period affects my brain?
I don't know.
If I am a vitamin.
Don't ask me. Don't
anemia.
Ask me. No. He is not saying your period affect your brain. He's saying you have two deficiency. One of them, your brain, you are made with stupid brain, according to Muhammad. In the top of that, you have deficiency in the religion. The first one, deficiency in intellect. The second one, deficiency in your creation. So he's saying there is two reasons will make you go to hell. Do you see it?
Let me see it. I'm trying to read this.
So you will go to hell. You will go to hell. He's asking you to make donation. Otherwise, you are going to go to heaven. You to hell because you curse a lot and you have deficiency in your brain and you have a lack of intellect. And the top
to the hell when he's talking about this.
Yeah, he says that. He said the most of you are the doers of the hellfire. Don't you see it? It's in front of you.
Oh my God, you don't have any proof. Just let me read it and I will answer it.
What do you mean I don't have any proof? It's in front of us in the screen. Everybody is laughing. What are you talking about? Guys, I don't have any proof.
But I need To read it focusly.
Okay, read it fully. Read it fully, left and right. Who's holding you? Lord, lead it. Go ahead. I'm listening.
You talking too much.
What I would do? I open YouTube to talk. Imagine I have a YouTube mute. Is that what you want? That would be smart.
Deficiency difficult upon people processing the reason inside the news. The woman among them said, and religion. He said, the testimony of the two women among you is like a testimony. No, I don't accept this.
You don't accept this? Are you insulting the prophet, guys? Oh my Allah, she don't accept this. Okay, I will report you to the Allah.
I don't care. I'm telling you again and again.
But Allah is listening. Allah is going now to send his genie on you. Come on. Allah is listening. You are insulting the prophet. You said, I don't accept this. This is an insult to the prophet. Why you don't show respect? If the prophet will say that you have deficiency in the brain, you have to accept.
I don't care. I'm telling you.
Okay, I don't know. I don't know. But before you go, like,
I don't have to accept it.
Okay, buy some candies, buy some stuff from the supermarket, because as you see, you're going to go to hell. You are a woman. What I can say, I mean, I feel sorry for you. The prophet said there is many reasons for you to go to hell. One of them because you have a lack of intellect, and the other reason you have your period. This is what Muhammad said. You said you don't accept. I don't care if you accept or not, but still you call yourself a Muslim. So this is very silly of you. Anyway, lady, thank you for calling. And if you feel like you decide really to be serious, because what you are saying is not good for you, you are contradicting yourself. You are going in denial. You are going in denial against your wish. You just keep saying, I don't agree with this. I don't agree with this. I don't agree with this. And yet you defend.
I have a right to do what I want.
Okay, no, you don't have the right to do whatever you want according to Muhammad. According to Muhammad, women have they have less intellect, and they are not equal to a man. So you are either you believe
that is upon Asha and Zainab. No, but I'm not accepting anything of his rules. I'm not following his rules. So.
Okay, so you don't follow his rules, but you call yourself a Muslim. You don't follow his rules, but you call yourself a Muslim. Okay, you must be mental then. Don't call me again. She don't follow his rules, but she call herself a Muslim. She don't like what Muhammad say, but she call herself a Muslim. She don't agree with Allah says, but she is a Muslim.